Lot S45.1 is a 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 with an LT1 350 cubic inch V8 engine with 330 horsepower and a 4-speed transmission. And it sold for $51,700 on Saturday, November 1st. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 17 miles, and the highlights are comprehensive restoration, matching numbers, 350, 330 horsepower LT1 V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, 373 geared positraction rear end, code 49 antique green exterior, black interior, full gauge set with tachometer, front and rear spoilers, power steering, and power disc brakes. And this one was a beauty. Actually was a good price for it. The market on these lately have been in the 70 to 80 range, 70, 80,000. So this one was a great buy for somebody. And it was a good looking car. And it was restored with matching numbers. So you're pretty much ready to go. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.